Hey, everybody. We hope you had a delightful Thanksgiving. We hope you're shopping for some of the superior products that are linked below the video. Perhaps you're into buying a bike or upgrading your existing bike, or maybe you'd like to check out a Redbubble shop for the great gifts there. In any case, thanks for tuning in and realizing the channel exists. Viewing the meteorology segment and so on, we've still got an enduring anticyclone here over the North Atlantic. These are the surface winds. Like sands through the hourglass of time, these are the surface winds of the Western world. Here are the jet streams of the Western world. Some big divergences happening there in the North Atlantic Ocean. A little bit of kinks in the jet stream here just east of South America. And a convergence over the southeastern U.S. right here. What about the eastern world? And shout out to our viewers from Unda. A strong jet across the Pacific at the moment, and a bit of an incoherent jet over Australia. Looks like it's clear skies for Kimberley. Also a pretty significant kink here in the southern Indian Ocean. Let's look at the surface winds. And there are the surface winds of the east. Let's take a look at pressure. Are you under pressure? If you're under this anticyclone, you're under pressure. Unless you're in some kind of a pressure-sealed container. Please leave us a comment if you're viewing the video from a pressure-sealed container. Or if you're viewing from a different universe, multiverse, plane of existence, planet, galaxy, solar system, spaceship, etc. Let us know in the comments. Anyway, that's where pressure is now. Let's advance it into tomorrow. Black Saturday. There's where things will be at 1 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow on Black Saturday, according to the European model. Let's move on to the Tropical Tidbits 72-hour pressure and precip forecast. There it is. Rains continuing in northwestern Washington. Some snow moving across Pennsylvania here in the 72-hour forecast, as well as some rains around Texas, Louisiana, and moving toward Florida there at the end of it. Perhaps to miss and stay in the Gulf. Some of that precipitation is for the fishes. Next, your weather.gov map. What do we have down here? Those are... The heck are those? Beach hazards statement? No, freeze watches. Those are freeze watches in southern Georgia, Alabama, and Mississippi, and the Florida Panhandle, it looks like. So some anomalously cold temperatures. Anyway, if your county's lit up, click it. Those are high wind advisories, by the way, in Montana. Next, a lightning mapper to see what the active storms have been doing recently. Some activity there in South America, especially. On the NASA Goes Lightning Mapper. Here's a real-time lightning map. I like it. When I hear thunder, I head to lightningmaps.org. Have you tried it? It's pretty sweet. You can frighten the natives by convincing them that you're Thor and that you're causing the thunder and not forecasting it using your smartphone. Lightningmaps.org. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. Congratulations on realizing we exist. If you don't watch the videos on YouTube, you're missing like 90% of the content, like our space weather videos. And if you're not viewing on BitChute, you haven't seen our exclusives. Like our most recent exclusive, which is entitled Suck It Facebook, a.k.a. Meta. They changed their name. How idiotic is that? By the way, this video was originally streamed live, but again, most of our content is on YouTube. I'm just checking the life of the stream right now. Congratulations on being spaced out if you view the channel primarily for the space weather videos. Make sure you check our playlists for lots more content, like our Do One Thing series, for example. Another video coming there soon. Perhaps today we'll upload it. Lots of videos in the pipeline, folks. We are massively overworked. Anyway, welcome to the Neo Renaissance. Once again, congratulations on realizing we exist. Check out the smAsho merch link. Today's featured product is Mensa, I think. Or is it the Fauci Fraud Bath Mat? It's the Fauci Fraud Bath Mat. So it conveniently includes the definition of the word fraud, which means an intentional misrepresentation of material facts. And if you'd like to put your feet on the face of evil every day, every time you get out of the shower, clean feet, dirty, disgusting face, maybe pick up a Fauci committed fraud bath mat. We got some comments about it yesterday from the Smash team. And thanks to the Smash team, we've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior, our own servers. So please support them. We'll be doing lots of public posts throughout the rest of the year. And then mostly everything will go back to subscription only starting January 1st. So if you want to see what you might be missing by being a subscriber, check out smashamash.com/smashteam. Here's a tidbit. And that's all you get on the video. You'll have to go to the website if you want to see what those posts are actually about. Again, this was originally streamed live to Twitch, twitch.tv/smashamash. Let's take a look at the air pockets over the Pacific Ocean. It's the water vapor map here from the NASA GOES interactive weather satellites. It's a sweet, sweet. Oops. I apologize for that temporary aside. It's a sweet, sweet. Anyway, that's what's going on in terms of water vapor over the largest body of water in the world and the world's largest surface heat sink. Leave us a comment if you think mankind can heat up or cool down the Pacific Ocean. We'll laugh and talk about heat latency. Next, the Doppler Radar for all 50 states. There you go. It looks like we've got some lingering rain here in the eastern portion of the U.S. Let's take a closer look at that. Could be some snow falling here. I think north of the Blue Mountain, it's probably snowing here in eastern Pennsylvania. So we're located in Lehigh Valley, by the way, folks. That's right about here for all of you international and non-local viewers. We're almost in smelling distance of New Jersey. Fortunately, it's downwind from Pennsylvania for the most part. That's what's going on in the cloud there, the shortwave radiation map. Here is the water vapor for the lower 48. As this atmospheric river is turning into an atmospheric pond over Montana and Wyoming. A lot of rainfall just happened in Washington and Idaho as well. Here's the recap. There's all 50 states. There's the lower 48. The shortwave radiation map. Low clouds over much of the Atlantic once again, continuing with the low clouds. And here is the water vapor. That should be the most definitive map to see. When the Doppler doesn't help you, the water vapor will. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, Least Busted, Name and News.